Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off quick ad on Snapchat on your account. And now let's dive right in. Now to turn off quick ad on Snapchat on your account, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account on which you want to turn off the quick ad. And from over here guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see your profile icon available for us. Tap on over there. And on this interface again at the top right corner of the screen there is a settings or a gear icon. Tap over there and scroll down over here until you can find the quick ad or you see me in quick ad. Over here guys, under the privacy control you can see there is the see me in quick ad button. Tap on there and you can see guys, for you this tick mark will be enabled, but in order to turn off the quick ad, tap on that button again or that tick mark over here, and then your account won't have the quick off or the turn off, or the quick ad on your account will be turned off. And this way guys, this is how you turn off quick ad on Snapchat. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.